Hey everybody, I'm Tom LeBlanc, editor of Commercial Integrator here at InfoComm 2018. I'm happy to be joined by Leyard and Planar's Steve Seminario. Steve, how's it going so far?
It's great, Tom. Thanks for asking.
So I want to talk about the Leyard DirectLight X LED video wall system. Can you tell me a little bit about why folks are pretty excited about checking that out this year?
Yeah, well, this is one of our big announcements this year at InfoComm. DirectLight X, as we call it, is really our third generation of our fine pitch LED video wall system. And it's always been a family of products. It actually spans from 0.7, really the finest pixel pitch available, all the way up to 2.5. The product line's always been designed for wall mounting. It has its own mount. It's very thin profile, has off-board electronics, which make it very reliable, and there's fully redundant hot swapping power. But what's new in DirectLight X is we really added advanced video processing to it, again in an off-board rack mount component.
So I know the video processing part of it is, really the differentiator. You and I actually talked about it a little bit before the show as well. Can you talk about why that's so important and specifically what you're doing with that?
Well, when we entered the LED video wall business, we were a little bit shocked by how rudimentary, sort of the video wall processing was that was built into these video walls. No scaling, no 4K sources, etc. And so we've been really trying to advance that, and DirectLight X really takes it a long way. With the Leyard video controller, which is what we call this component that just comes with the video wall, it's fully 4K capable, so it has multiple inputs that can take 4K 60. It's HDCP 2.2 compliant. It extends the signal just through over Cat6 or over fiber. And most importantly, it also does quite a bit of scaling and processing. So you can not only have a single image over the entire video wall, regardless of resolution, you can also scale that down, have picture-in-picture, multiple windows open, really what you do with a processor. And you can set these up as presets, recall the presets. It has a web user interface, so you can drag and drop sources right onto the canvas, resize them through this user interface. So it is really a kind of full processing, but that's just built into the system and comes with the video wall.
Okay, and I also want to ask you about a pretty cool demo that you guys are doing here at InfoComm 2018 around the Leyard Aero LED. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, we're really excited to show customers this, and it's been a bit of a mob scene, which is kind of what I expected. So we call it Leyard Aero LED. ERO stands for Extended Ruggedness and Optics, and that's really what it does. It's a coating, a proprietary coating that we put over our standard LED product in our factory. And what it does is it gives you a smooth, glossy surface that not only protects the pixels and the edges and the whole thing, but allows you to clean it, allows you to sort of put your hands on it, protects it from any kind of casual contact, and it also enhances the optical performance of a standard LED video wall. So better viewing angles, better color uniformity. And what we did with this particular demonstration is we're also playing HDR content. And so it looks particularly, stunning with the HDR content.
Well, Steve Seminario from Leyard and Planar, thanks for talking to Commercial Integrator.
Thanks, Tom.